Yo, what's poppin', man? It's your boy Christian. I also go by Vader. That's the Twitch name. As you can tell, there's a lot of lights going on behind me. I've been receiving a ton of love, and in return, I just want to answer the most frequent question I get asked the most on my DMs, and it's, dude, what's the light under your desk? How do you install that light? Is that like RGB company? Did you put like some sort of frame around it? I'm gonna answer all those questions. Honestly, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna disassemble everything and just do like a quick little walkthrough of how I installed everything and give you a quick explanation of the lights that I used. And yeah, just stay tuned, baby. Let's get it. Are we recording? Oh yeah, we're recording. I'm just gonna rip this thing down, and once I rip it down, I'm gonna just show you guys all the little details under the desk so you can see what's going on and how I planned this out. Because obviously I didn't just throw this on there and just hope that it worked. Alright, let me bring you guys down with me. So let's get under my desk. So as you can see, there's these sticky backs, and they're actually Velcro. And this actually comes with the beam lights themselves, okay? Now, if you look right up close to the beams themselves, they have the Velcro right on them. And the way that this Lifx product works is that they snap into place. So they're magnetic. Just snap them right into place. Once they're connected, light flows right through them. So if you look under my desk, there's these little legs or spacers that I got from Amazon, and I made sure that they were just high enough so that the Lifx product fit right and snug in there. That's basically what we got going on under the desk. All right, now let's put this bad boy back together. That's a wrap, y'all. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys found that very informative. As you can tell, it's pretty simple as is. It's not rocket science. Got cats up here going crazy. Dude, hey, stop picking on her, bro. He stays picking on her. This little devil, this little freaking devil. Little devil just likes picking on girls, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Jesus Christ. All right, let's get back because the cat's going crazy. But yeah, that's basically it. Honestly, if I was gonna do anything to this setup and redo it again, I would probably add a shield behind it so that the lights, whenever I bump into it, it wouldn't fall. It's not a big deal. It doesn't really affect me. But if you guys want to do that for yourself and recreate this, then go right ahead. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this, man, and don't even know how to end it. So life is weird. We're all weird. Deuces.